You see that now we automatically blog post on our WordPress site. We just enter the prompt, and you see that now if when we enter the prompt, automatically in the 1 to 2 minutes our blog post in our WordPress site just take 2 minutes and our blog post is ready. Now you see that our blog post is complete, and refresh the page, and it is here: maximize Facebook ROI and drive business growth. Maximize Facebook ads ROI, drive business growth is the same. What we want is the blog post automatically. We just need the prompt enter and the our blog post in just 2 minutes. Today we make our daily blog post automation with the help of n8n. Is daily automate our blog post in our website, not by manually upload a blog on our website. He automatically blog post in our website when the in 8 hour clock in the morning time, when the 1 day is completed, they automatically blog post in our website. We checked out how I make that automation system. It's manually I trigger the flow. You just need a hint here of the prompt message: make a digital agency AI agent service provide blog. I want a blog for that prompt. What is to now? Then you see that now the Google Sheet is the action performed is my the prompt message comes in the n8n software. What it is, I just create our connect my credential of the Google Sheet API credential. Here you just set a credential of your Google Sheet and select your Google Sheet and select your ID and get the rows, and just filter execute the step, and is the filter of your prompt of the prompt message. And now I use a Gemini model 2.5 is just refine our SEO expert, make a content of our website that post on our website. It just now I run that. He taken such a time, and when he run, he generate a title. And also in the Gemini model I use the Google Gemini, which model is 2.5 flash. Is really fast model and the output is really awesome in that model 2.5. Now I blog post on our WordPress site. You see that their WordPress notes in automatically in n8n. You just set your credential, your username of WordPress site, and your password of the WordPress site, but not you give the real password. You need a application password, and connect your the URL of your website. And now the create a post and select your ID, category ID, and the status. If you want the status in draft, you publish. I set on the publish, and the content is connected and the title is connected. We execute this step, and now our blog is post already. You see that. But now in his no any image, when we make an image of the chat GPT, the image source, the GPT-1 is the good model for our designer purpose, because my post is like a design, like in any text, in any logo. For you just paste that prompt and enter your the prompt image in the title. What we set your the building your digital. You see that, building your digital agency AI agent services we provide. You see that, and now we execute and image make of chat GPT. In here you connect your, that is the document of the image generation. There have three models of ChatGPT. DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3, ChatGPT Image 1 is a really good model. ChatGPT 2 is really lower cost model and it's not good for all purpose. They're highly good, and the best one is the GPT Image 1. And here the price are also mentioned in the document. I provide you in the link below. You see that our image is me, digital agency AI agent services. That image is really awesome and good. What I do, and now I just, you see that the upload image on our post, that is in here, paste your the WordPress URL of your site, the media, when in upload the media on that image is upload on your media of the WordPress site. Here's the your credential of WordPress API Connect, and the your credentials if the WordPress is the same before, and use the content disposition is the same, and attach URL is the same. You see that the image is good because that ID is JSON format. You see that for PIDA 2768.2 is the code of here. You need in here 2786, you paste in here and execute step. Because that image is your connected with the that post, you see that your post is set image, and now ID set image. You see that the URL is same, or in here your site URL you connected, and you see that the WordPress API connected, and the future image and the future media is the post, and resulted in you select that 2787 your upload image ID, and that is SEO friendly for the purpose of on website. And now we update a Google Sheet. You see that our blog post is building that is the title, that is the post ID of your post, and the date and the row number. And now you see that your image is posted and the live of your of life, your blog post. It's just a simple when you just need to enter your prompt when the night is come, and one day after your blog is post, and you give a message, your blog post is completed, and you see that your blog is post. The category is the AI agent plus digital marketing services. Tomorrow we make a product blog post in your WordPress site. Is really awesome. If your e-commerce site, you just, if you are have an e-commerce site, you just need a blog post of your product. It's dynamically connect your the blog post and the image base URL, and the connect with the your WordPress site and upload the media. It's same process, but the yes, tomorrow we make a product blog post on the topic, on this topic. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.